Here we have the software which controls our experiment. Using this program, we can automate an experiment using desired parameters. The program outputs significant aspects of the experiment, such as temperature and magnetic field. Here we can control the rate and resolution of the linear actuator. We can use this to increase the amount of data points gathered during the experiment, at the cost of time it takes to conduct the experiment. Next, we have the output from the magnetic encoder displayed here. The magnetic encoder is used to determine the position of the Hall effect sensors. Here we can increase the amount of data taken at a single position. The output of the Hall effect sensors are noisy, so averaging the values allows us to gain more consistent data. These values allow us to calibrate the Hall effect sensor so that the output reflects the true magnetic field. Here are the magnetic field strengths normal to the X, Y, and Z directions. Obtaining these values as a function of position on the Z-axis is the primary goal of this experiment. Here we can determine the amount of current running through the undulator as is useful when determining fluctuations in power. This is where the temperature at several locations is displayed. The first temperature shown shows the output of the water jacket. The second temperature shows the input of the water jacket. Observing the difference in temperature between the output and input are useful in determining the total power of the undulator and the flow rate of the cooling jacket. These three parameters reflect the temperature at different layers of the undulator. The first temperature shown reflects the temperature of the probe between the second and third layer. The second temperature shown is the temperature between the third and fourth layer, and the third corresponds to the temperature between the fourth and fifth layer, where the temperature is projected to be the greatest. These two temperatures reflect the temperature of the probes between the third and fourth layer at different locations of the undulator.